Hey, welcome back to Currency Wizard. If you're ready to supercharge your wealth building journey, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a powerful financial tool, mutual funds. If you ever wondered how to use mutual funds to get rich, you're about to find out. Let's unlock the secrets of mutual funds together. But before we dive into the world of mutual funds, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell if you enjoy content that empowers you financially. Now, let's talk about a game changing investment strategy that has potential to skyrocket your wealth. To get rich with mutual funds, it's crucial to understand what they are. Mutual funds pull money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This diversification helps spread risk and is managed by professional fund managers. It's like joining forces with other investors to access a diverse range of investments. Why choose mutual funds? Well, they offer diversification without the need for you to personally manage a portfolio. They're also managed by professionals with expertise in the financial markets. This combination makes mutual funds an attractive option for both beginners and experienced investors looking to grow their wealth. Now let's talk about the different types of mutual funds. There are equity funds, which invest in stocks, bond funds that focus on fixed income securities, and hybrid funds that combine both. Understanding these types allows you to tailor your mutual fund investments to your financial goals and risk tolerance. To use mutual funds effectively, start by setting clear financial goals, whether it's wealth accumulation, retirement planning, or saving for a specific milestone. Mutual funds can be aligned with your objectives. Knowing your goals helps you choose the right funds and investment strategy. As you stay consistent with your mutual fund strategy, you'll start reaping the rewards. The power of compounding, combined with a diversified portfolio, can contribute to significant wealth accumulation over the long term. Patience and a strategic approach are the keys to unlocking the full potential for mutual funds. There you have it, a guide on how to use mutual funds to get rich. Thanks for tuning in to Currency Wizard. If you haven't subscribed, now's the time to do so for more insights on financial empowerment and wealth building. May your investments thrive and your journey to financial success be filled with abundance. Until next time, take care and happy investing.